ومن أعرض عن ذكري فإن له معيشة ضنكا ونحشره يوم القيامة أعمى قال رب لم حشرتني أعمى وقد كنت بصيرا قال كذلك أتتك آياتنا فنسيتها وكذلك اليوم تنسى.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين. There is a beautiful hadith which is collected by Bukhari and Muslim. A hadith which most of the people they're neglecting, even though the reward is tremendous. The hadith, the Prophet ﷺ says, whoever says, Man qala la ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lah, lahul mulku wa lahul hamdu wa huwa ala kulli shayin qadir, 10 times a day. Imagine the other hadith, there is 100 times a day, but this hadith is only 10 times a day, which means will not take you even a minute. The Prophet ﷺ says the reward is just like the person has freed 4 souls, which means 4 slaves. Imagine if you do this every single day for 1 month, you have a reward of freeing almost 120 slaves. For 1 year, if you multiply it, you will see is almost 1,440 slaves you have in your good deeds just by saying this hadith every single day, which will take you less than 1 minute. So imagine if you teach this hadith your kids and they're doing the same thing, and you teach maybe your brothers or anybody, the reward is on you just like the reward is on the person who's saying it. So this is the small hadith which is the huge reward, and the people they are really heedless and they're neglecting. So I'm asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make us from those people who take this hadith in consideration and apply it at least every single day, so you can get the reward of freeing 4 of the slaves. هذا وصلى الله على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. السلام عليكم.